the Career and Technology Center, students from all over Carroll County come together to gain technical skills in numerous specialized programs. Every day these students are excelling, and we want to highlight some of these remarkable students. Today's student is Ryan Kvech. Ryan is a junior at Manchester Valley High School. He is a member of the marching band, where he plays the snare drum. At Career and Tech, Ryan is in the Welding Program. He states that his favorite part of the Welding Program is how the program is structured. He believes Mr. Swinesberg prioritizes the students' needs in order for them to succeed. He also loves the fabrication process of welding and the opportunities to get certified. Welding instructor Mr. Michael Swinesberg says, Ryan is one of those students who is very motivated, a quick learner, and has shown signs of being successful at welding. He is not only learning about welding, but also brings skills from other areas such as automotive, electrical, and carpentry to be able to repair equipment. Ryan is a student who will make a positive impact on the welding program. When Ryan is not in school, he is busy working side jobs on vehicles and small equipment, and he also leases fields to make and sell hay. Additionally, he will be employed by Keith Smith Concrete this summer, working on their small equipment. When Ryan is not working, he loves doing projects at his house and taking care of his 2 Labrador Doodles, Cricket and Maddie. After graduation, Ryan will continue to work on equipment and hopes to own and run a farm.